Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can link Discord to fivem. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. Well, to link Discord to fivem, you will need to install and configure a fivem Discord bot. There are several bots available online that can help you with this. One popular bot is the fivem Discord bot by Zua. To use this bot, open your Chrome and now on the search bar type fivem Discord bot by Zua and then open the first link that appears on your screen. Now from here, all you need to do is follow the instructions on their website. Once the bot is installed and configured, you can link your Discord server to your fivem server by following the bot's instructions. So everyone, this is the easy way of linking your Discord to fivem. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.